Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am excited to bring you guys a Madam Glam review today. The highlight of the video is going to be 3 different colors of their brand new pudding gels. These are the 3 colors right here. They went ahead and sent me a gel base coat and a top coat that I'm going to put to use during this video as well. And they also sent me their little teeny tiny LED lamp right here that I'm going to put to use in curing these gels. These work really well, but like I said, the highlight's going to be these gels right here. I'm going to let you know explain to you how these are different from the regular gels that come in these, these traditional bottles, and how I put these to use. So I hope you guys enjoy and stay. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, these are Madam Glam's pudding gels, and let me show you how nicely packaged they are. So these little squared jars, these are 5 ml little jars. Let me go ahead and open this so you'll know what to expect. We are used to seeing, I was glad how they did this packaging. And before they send me these for review, I had actually purchased 3 other of their other colors from the same collection because I got excited in how that they came out with these creamy gels. So you see how they are sealed, and yeah, that looks kind of messy already because I've used this. Okay, this is not how it came. Then you lift this. Yes, use your tweezers, guys. Don't use your nails. You lift this up. It pops out. I'm giving it a twist because it was touching, and there's the gel right there. So there's no foils that you had to foil wrap or seals that you had to attempt to peel off and make a mess. Here's and this won't go to waste. I will use this off the cap. Okay, so there's that beautiful color. It's a coral color. Let me see. I'll tell you what the name of this one is. And you will have an idea of the color from this little label right here. It's not exact, but it gives you an idea of what to expect when you see the color there. You'll catch the names of the colors right here on the top of the cap is Coast Coral for this one. Very pretty color. So these pudding gels, and then the third one that I have is the Sherry. Let me show you what that one looks like. It is a red, as expected by the name. There it is. See how beautiful that looks? This is what you can expect, how clean that pops out of first, from first opening and first. Yeah, you can tell I've used this. I've actually used all 3 colors on some of my clients, and I will have the pictures at the end of the video. Here's the third one. This one is called Iris, as you can tell from the label. It's a lilac. Let's go ahead and open this up. Beautiful soft lilac. Okay, so let me tell you how these are different from the traditional gels in a bottle. As you can see, these are, let me go ahead and leave this one open, fold out a piece of paper on the side. These are very, very creamy, guys. These are, I mean, this is so thick you can turn it over and around. Nothing is going to pour out of here. Nothing. Like not over time. I don't know how long it will take for this to turn upside down. But it is a thick consistency, almost like putty. Almost like 3D gel. But this is not 3D gel, okay? Not to be confused by 3D gel at all. And so I'm going to, let me go ahead and do swatches of the 3 colors. I'm going to do swatches of the 3 colors by themselves on these nails. These tips. And then on the 4th tip, I'm going to show you how I use these for gradients. This is like a godsend for gradients. I've seen a lot of reviews where they go ahead and use it because of the pigmentation on these high viscosity thick gels or pudding like gels. You can use them for, they're a 1 coater. They are a 1 coater when you're painting with them. But my favorite use for them is to create gradients. And how I do that, I use a sponge. So I'm going to, let me go ahead and put these to a side. Let me show you how I do this. I go ahead and use a brush to pick up some of the product from here. And then I'm going to do a swatch on one of them so you can see how they apply, okay? Because they're So then I go ahead and use the sponge. Apply the product on the sponge using the brush. This is how I work on the client. Let me zoom out a little bit so I don't get you off. And pick up one of the nails. And this is what I do. Okay, so we are familiar with this technique when we use regular polishes, and this is hard to tell on camera, but there you can see how subtle they build up very easy. Okay, so even though they look very pigmented on the container, and when then you start applying them, they seem very sheer because of the application, the technique that I'm using as far as applying them with the sponge. But this is what makes them perfect for gradients. Wait until you see those pictures. And I'm going to speed up through this, so we're just going to repeat this. It doesn't, as far as when I do this on my clients, I don't do it more than once. But keep in mind that my clients' nails, when I do this on there, I do a clear gel overlay, and then I go straight with this, with the color, and creating these gradients. I've created some beautiful gradients. This tip is white, so it's taking more color, right? It's having to do more application so you can see the color. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up through this part. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you while I have the lilac here. Let's swatch it here against this tip, and you can see, oh my gosh, like brushing this on a tip, it's like it's like butter. Just so little of it goes a long ways. Oh my gosh, this just is so satisfying applying this, guys. Beautiful application, look at that. It's like you just want to keep brushing and brushing. So smooth and creamy. Look how beautiful that is. Now let's go ahead and swatch this coral all by itself. Look how beautiful again. So this can go, they can go when you create a gradient, use the sponge method. They go on pretty sheared. When you brush them, much more pigmentation right there. Nice and smooth, one coat. Look how beautiful that is. Let's go ahead and cure it. Before we go on swatching the cherry color, I'm going to show you how the proper application. Traditionally you will apply your base coat to your prep nail first. So we're going to do that. Let me show you here. These are all 15 ml bottles from Madam Glam. Their base coat and their top coat. So and they cure under 30 seconds in your LED lamp. So this is how you will apply your base. Let's apply your base coat. Put in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now we'll go ahead and swatch this beautiful cherry red color. Oh my gosh, that I feel like that's way too much. It's like I don't want to waste, yes, so you think 5 ml, how long is that gonna last? Let's start off with this. Look at that, there's hardly nothing in there. And this is a long tip, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like lipstick. Oh, how beautiful. So yes, you can decide how much pigment of those colors you want on the nail. And no what do you say? How do you say that? No streakness of the color from brushing. Oh my gosh. So satisfying. So satisfying. That's beautiful. I know it almost looks pink, but let's add more product for pigmentation purposes. Look at that. Beautiful red. So let me pick up some more. And guys, it's not gonna run. It's not gonna run like what I say. It's not gonna run into the gutters. It's not gonna run into the cuticles. because there's no moving. This does not move at all. And keep in mind, I'm only doing one coat. This is one coat. They're one coaters. Of course, you can make it, you can do two, you can do three. Depends how much product you pick up with your brushes. Look at that. I can cure this. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and me finish it nicely. I'm going to cure it, and I'm going to clean what's left on my brush after on top of a cure coat. So just to tell you a little bit about their miniature lamp, this lamp is a 6 watts right there. You can see it on the back of the box. And with the switch, you can go, it will cure 45 seconds or 60 seconds. With such a small wattage lamp like this one, this is meant to be portable. They do work, they work nicely. But I would recommend to do nothing less than 60 seconds. So let me go ahead and open it up for you. You can see it has the USB cable that connects. So yes, you will need an adapter. Sometimes I plugged it into the USB port of my laptop. Just make sure your laptop is plugged in. You gotta have electricity coming in here somewhere. And oh, this is a pretty nice cable, probably about 3 feet long or so, 2.5 feet long. And here's the lamp. The feet, sometimes this is what I do. Either an orange wood stick, tweezers on me so I can fit my tweezers through here. Don't use your nails as tools, guys. Pop these out, the little feet, because you can use it like this by hand, or you can just pop those little feet out, and so you can slide your hand underneath. And here's the button right here. Let's go ahead and plug it in. There you see the 6 little bulbs. So turn them off and let's give it a test. I'm going to go ahead and do this one's already cured. I'm going to clean my brush. Let's see, add more pigment to this nail. Let me bring you in closer. Why waste the product? Hopefully I'm applying pressure here. My nail's moving. Could apply more pressure, but this now I don't want the tip to pop off of my little stand here. Right there you can see how I am cleaning my brush, and I'm able to apply more pigment to this beautiful soft cherry red, as I like to call it, and I can go ahead and place it under the lamp. Okay, so I've removed this from under the lamp, and it does this top coat that sent me. It does have the tacky layers, which means all you have to do is remove it, wipe it with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol is enough, and then you have a beautiful finish just like that. Okay guys, so here are the 3 color swatches. Beautiful cherry, coral, and lilac. It was iris is the name of it. And the gradient, I'll show you how to work with these on creating a gradient. This is good, the lilac to the coral, a much more subtle look here when you sponge it in. There you can see the difference. Beautiful transition. You can create beautiful transitions on your gradients with these puddings. That's my favorite thing to do. Oh, and of course the application, applying these with brushes are so satisfying. It's gonna want you to keep painting everybody's nails with these. Absolutely gorgeous colors. So here they are. Go ahead and check them in. Check them out. I do have a 30% off code. I will have that at the bottom in the description so you guys can go and check out and play with these colors. Madam Glam is a wonderful company. These are vegan products, vegan gels, and if you are starting out a little lamp like this, it will work for you nicely for doing at home, doing your nails at home. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Let me go ahead and share the coupon code for you. The 30% off code is NAQ30_1. And the short link in the description bar will take you directly to Madam Glam's website where the coupon code will activate automatically. And the checkout, choose the pay as you go option if you don't want to become a VIP member, okay? I would like to thank Madam Glam for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for photos.